heard about the Indian government's PM E-Drive scheme that offers up to 9.6 lakh as incentives for anyone trying to buy an electric truck? Yes, almost 10 lakh off to help you to switch from your old diesel truck to a better electric truck. Today I will explain that why this is the best time for buying an electric truck and how much money you can save through this scheme. Now, diesel trucks are only 5% of the road transportation, but they cause 42% of pollution in our cities and majorly make the air very worse. The government aims to boost clean freight transport, reduce operating costs, and also better air quality, and push India towards achieving the net zero emission by 2070. Let's compare the real cost of diesel versus electric truck. Ashok Leyland 1920 costs around 28 lakhs as ex-showroom price, while Ashok Leyland Bose 19T electric truck cost around 90 lakhs as ex-showroom price. This is a significant 62 lakhs upfront of price difference. But after applying these incentives and subsidies, the Ashok Leyland 19T can cost around 80 lakhs. Still notably higher than the diesel truck, but financially more viable while comparing the operational cost. Now let's look at the operation cost of both the trucks in a chart. First, the purchase price of diesel truck cost around 28 lakhs. Now electric truck cost around 90 lakhs. After applying the incentives, it will cost around 80 lakhs 40,000. Now fuel and energy cost per kilometer, 90 rupees per kilometer per liter. Electric truck will cost around 4.5 rupees per kilometer per liter. Annual fuel will cost around 11 lakhs 40,000 for diesel truck, while electric truck can run around 2 lakhs 70,000. Annual maintenance for diesel truck is higher, 1 lakh 50,000. Electric truck is lower, around 37,500. Now the running cost of a diesel truck is 12 lakhs 90,000, while an electric truck can cost you around 3 lakhs 7,500. The pollution is higher in diesel truck, while electric truck is zero tailpipe emission. Electric trucks may have higher upfront but saves around 75% on the running cost. And also lower rates for electricity, lower maintenance, they have fewer running parts. Now what does these numbers mean to you? When you drive your truck 60,000 kilometers per year, your major expenses are fuel or maintenance. In maintenance, diesel trucks need regular maintenance, changing of oil and parts. But in electric truck, there are only fewer moving parts, so you don't need them. Now let's compare how much you spend annually for your truck with each type. For example, if your truck runs 5 km per liter, fuel needed for 60,000 km is 12,000 liters for diesel truck. Now if the diesel price averages 95 rupees per liter, it will cost around 11 lakhs 40,000 per year. And your annual maintenance will come around 1 lakh 50,000. That means your running cost is 12 lakhs 90,000 per year. For electric truck, if it runs 60,000 km per year, your energy cost will come around 4.5 rupees. That means annual energy cost is 2 lakhs 70,000. Now annual maintenance you spend is 37,500 because it has fewer moving parts and no oil changes. Now total running cost for a year for electric truck is 3 lakh 7,500 per year. By driving an electric truck instead of diesel truck, you save 10 lakh annually only on fuel and maintenance. These savings come from cheaper electricity and fewer mechanical maintaining parts. Over time, these savings compensate on your higher upfront cost of your electric truck. Now let me tell you why this is the best time to buy an electric truck. Without incentives, electric truck can cost you around 30 to 50% more than a diesel truck. This is discouraging for many buyers. The 9.6 lakh subsidy under the PM E-Drive scheme closes this gap. For example, you roughly pay 62 lakhs more upfront after subsidy for buying an electric truck, but you save around 9.6 lakh annually on running cost. This means you recover the extra upfront investment in just 5.3 years. After paying that, all your further savings are directly your profit. Large companies like Steel Authorities of India Limited are committed to buying hundreds of electric trucks, showing a great support in the industry. Rising diesel cost and tighter pollution norms Switching now makes the smarter move financially and environmentally. The government has allocated 100 crores to 1100 electric trucks in Delhi, one of the most polluted cities in our country. This will demonstrate the powerful impact that these cleaner trucks have on improving the air quality urgently. Now, how PM E-Drive scheme works. Incentives up to 9.6 lakhs are based on trucks, GVW, ex-factory price and battery size. To qualify the PM E-Drive scheme, financial incentives on electric trucks, if the ex-factory price of the electric truck crosses 1.25 crores, that is not eligible for the subsidies. And also you must scrap your old diesel truck to gain the incentives. Incentives are granted upfront as a price reduction and reimbursed to manufacturers via PM E-Drive portal on the basis of first come first serve. Now the incentive tables by truck size. If the GVW is 3.5 to 7.5 tons, the maximum incentives is 2.7 lakhs. If the GVW is 7.5 to 12 tons, the maximum incentives is 3.6 lakhs. If the GVW is 12 to 18.5, incentives is 7.8 lakhs. 18.5 ton to 35 ton, incentives is 9.6 lakh. And GVW of 35 to 55 tons, maximum incentives is 9.3 lakhs. The warranty requirements are 5 years or 5 lakh kilometers, whichever comes first. The warranty requirement for battery are 5 years or 5 lakh kilometers, whichever comes first. And for vehicle and motor, it is 5 years or 2.5 lakh kilometers. These warranties reduce the risk of unexpected failures and give you a peace of mind. SAIL has promised to buy 150 electric truck within 3 years and aims to reduce their fleet to 15% of electric vehicles. This government push is giving manufacturers the confidence to invest and make better electric trucks. In the previous video, we have discussed about hydrogen vehicles like Tata Motors hydrogen powered heavy duty truck, which is in trial phase. This scheme is another added advance in India's green transport journey. The PM E-Drive schemes offer truck owners a fantastic opportunity to switch their diesel truck to electric truck with a good financial support, while contributing to greener and cleaner future. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching.